Luxury has always fascinated the world. But today, a new form of wealth has quietly taken over. It isn't about flashy cars, giant logos, or diamond-studded watches. It's something far more subtle, far more powerful. It's the kind of wealth you can't immediately see, but once you notice it, you realize it was there all along. These signs are so subtle, yet so powerful you'll have to see them to believe them. The era of quiet luxury. We live in a world that glorifies loud wealth. Social media constantly shows us people flaunting designer brands, driving supercars, and throwing extravagant parties. But here's the hidden truth. The wealthiest people rarely feel the need to prove their wealth to anyone. In fact, the more secure someone is financially, and in themselves, the quieter their expression of luxury becomes. This is where the concept of quiet luxury comes in. It's not about screaming wealth, it's about whispering it. It's about the details that most people overlook, but the truly wealthy instantly recognize. A perfectly tailored jacket with no visible brand. A minimalist home with rare materials. A watch with history, not hype. Quiet luxury is not a trend, it's a mindset. It reflects confidence, refinement, and the power of subtlety. It says, I don't need you to know I'm rich. But if you do, you'll notice in the details. In this script, we'll break down the 12 most powerful signs of quiet luxury. We'll explore why they matter, how they work, and what they reveal about the psychology of wealth. By the end, you'll not only recognize these signs, but also understand how they separate the truly wealthy from those merely pretending. Let's dive in. Sign number 1. Logos are out, craftsmanship is in. The first and most obvious sign of quiet luxury is the absence of logos. Loud branding is designed to broadcast status. Think massive Gucci belts, Louis Vuitton monograms, or big Balenciaga hoodies. These items scream for attention. But here's the irony. The louder the logo, the less wealthy the buyer usually is. Truly wealthy people don't need validation. Instead, they focus on craftsmanship and quality. A Brunello Cucinelli cashmere sweater looks simple, but costs thousands. Why? Because the fabric is hand-spun, the design timeless, and the stitching flawless. To the untrained eye, it looks like any other sweater. But to someone who understands luxury, it's unmistakable. The psychology here is powerful. Logos exist for those who want to prove something. Absence of logos signals confidence. It says, I don't need you to know where this is from. I know the value, and that's enough. Wealth at the highest level becomes invisible to the average eye. And that invisibility is exactly what makes it powerful. Sign number 2, timeless over trendy. Another defining sign of quiet luxury is choosing timelessness over trends. Fast fashion thrives on trends. Luxury fashion houses push them to keep sales high. But the wealthiest don't chase what's in this season. They invest in pieces that remain relevant for decades. Think of a tailored navy blazer, a Hermes Kelly bag, or a Rolex Oyster Perpetual. None of these are trendy. They've been admired for generations, and will be admired for generations to come. Why does timelessness matter? Because trends are about external approval. Timelessness is about internal standards. When someone wears something that has remained stylish for 40 years, it communicates stability, maturity, and foresight. Quiet luxury lives in this space, where what you own isn't loud but it lasts. And lasting value is the ultimate flex. Sign number 3, materials that whisper wealth. Another giveaway of quiet luxury is the material. Wealth doesn't always show in design, but it always shows in fabric, leather, and stone. Cashmere instead of wool. Silk instead of polyester. Marble instead of ceramic. Full-grain leather instead of synthetic blends. The rich care deeply about touch, durability, and sourcing. A billionaire's white t-shirt might look plain, but if it's Loro Piana cotton, it costs $500, not because of the name but because of the rare, hand-picked fabric. Here's the secret. Wealthy people don't buy more things, they buy better things. Their closet may not be packed, but every item feels luxurious to wear. Every piece is built to last. For them, materials are a sensory experience. They want luxury to be felt, not shouted. Sign number 4, understated jewelry and watches. Flashy diamond chains, giant gold rings, and iced-out watches have long been symbols of success in popular culture. But quiet luxury takes a completely different route. Instead of wearing jewelry that blinds the room, the wealthy choose understated, heritage pieces. A thin Patek Philippe, a Cartier tank, or a vintage Audemars Piguet. Jewelry with history and refinement, not volume and sparkle. It's not about saying, look at how much I spent. It's about saying, this piece has meaning. It has character. It has legacy. The psychology here is fascinating. Loud jewelry is about attention. Quiet jewelry is about legacy. One fades, the other grows in value over time. That's the real luxury. Sign number 5, neutral color palettes. Color tells a story. Loud reds, neon greens, and heavy patterns scream for notice. Neutral tones, beige, cream, navy, black, don't need to scream. They whisper. Quiet luxury thrives in this subtlety. Wealthy wardrobes often look muted, yet perfectly balanced. Why? Because neutral palettes never go out of style. They fit anywhere. They work at a gala, a boardroom, or a vacation in Paris. Colors are psychological signals. Neutrals signal confidence, control, and refinement. Loud colors signal insecurity and a desire to be noticed. This is why if you observe billionaires, you'll notice something strange. Many of them dress in incredibly simple neutral tones. It's a strategy. They're not dressing to impress. They're dressing for themselves. Sign number 6, silence in luxury cars. We often think of luxury cars as roaring engines, flashy Lamborghinis, and bright-colored Ferraris. But here's the truth, the wealthy prefer silence. A Bentley, a Rolls-Royce, or a high-end Mercedes isn't loud. They glide. They're quiet inside. You don't hear the world when you're in one, you hear yourself. Quiet luxury in automobiles is about comfort, privacy, and control. The average wealthy person doesn't want the entire street to notice their car. They want the experience to feel serene and effortless. The quietest ride is often the most expensive ride. That's the paradox. Sign number 7, homes that hide, not show off. Look at the homes of ultra-wealthy people. Many aren't gaudy mansions with golden gates. They're hidden estates, minimalist penthouses, or properties tucked away from public view. Quiet luxury in real estate is about privacy. The true elite don't want to be seen. They want space, silence, and exclusivity. Their homes may not always look extravagant from the outside, but inside they're works of art, with rare materials, breathtaking views, and unmatched design. It's the difference between a tourist snapping pictures outside your house and no one even knowing you own one of the most valuable properties in the city. True wealth hides. Pretend wealth performs. Sign number 8, confidence in silence. There's one thing you'll notice about truly wealthy people. They don't feel the need to talk too much. Loud wealth talks about itself. Quiet wealth lets others talk about it. This silence is confidence. It's a presence you can feel even when no words are spoken. The way someone walks into a room, the way they carry themselves, the way they let others speak without rushing to prove themselves. Confidence in silence is perhaps the most powerful sign of quiet luxury, because the richest people in the room are usually the ones saying the least. Sign number 9, exclusivity over popularity. Quiet luxury thrives on exclusivity. The wealthy often avoid mainstream luxury brands because once something becomes too popular, it loses its charm. Instead, they gravitate toward niche designers, bespoke tailoring, or custom art. Things that can't be easily bought or copied. Popularity means everyone can access it. Exclusivity means only a select few even know it exists. Sign number 10, obsession with details. The wealthy notice details most people overlook. The stitching of a jacket. The weight of cutlery. Quiet luxury thrives on these tiny details. To most people they seem irrelevant. But to someone who lives in luxury they're everything. Details separate the ordinary from the extraordinary. Sign number 11, experiences over objects. One of the greatest shifts in modern wealth is the move from material things to experiences. Loud wealth buys Lamborghinis. Quiet wealth buys privacy on a Greek island. Loud wealth buys gold chains. Quiet wealth buys time with family in a villa in Tuscany. These are things you can't show off on a shelf, but they enrich life in a way material possessions never can. Experiences are the new status symbols. And they're the heart of quiet luxury. Sign number 12, effortless simplicity. The final sign of quiet luxury is simplicity. True wealth isn't complicated. It's effortless. A perfectly cut black dress. A minimalist home with empty space. A conversation where nothing is rushed. Simplicity is the highest form of sophistication. Simplicity is the hardest thing to achieve. It takes confidence to strip away excess and leave only what matters. But once you do, you reach the essence of luxury itself. That's why quiet luxury feels different. It isn't about more. It's about less but better. The psychology of quiet luxury. So what do all these signs tell us? Quiet luxury isn't just about clothing, homes, or cars. It's about mindset. It's about confidence that whispers instead of shouts. It's about security that doesn't need validation. If you believe true wealth speaks in whispers, not shouts, hit subscribe. This is the Lux Ledger, where quiet luxury meets financial power.